VISKOU.
Today we're going to talk about the Wi-Fi 7. Yeah, so but most of you guys will ask me why we need Wi-Fi 7. Even now Wi-Fi 6 still not very popular yet, but now Wi-Fi 7 already out. Yeah, so for Wi-Fi 7, actually they have the main points is that it's a high throughput, high bandwidth, high speed, and then with a low latency. The first, because now you guys know about the AI generate content company. Yeah, so if you guys are operating on an AI company, they are operating on an AI company, they will require a very high speed or like video for school learning. Yeah, so nowadays most of us gonna some even tuition, we are going to use the Zoom for tuition. And also nowadays one of the very popular business nowadays is live streaming, like on the Facebook or TikTok, all that they're doing live streaming, or same as like us. So for me, for now, I'm going to do the live stream, like for video conference for office, yeah, for meeting, all that. Yeah, so all this kind of scenario that will require Wi-Fi 7. What is the main difference between Wi-Fi 7 and Wi-Fi 6 other than just the speed? So actually for Wi-Fi 7, first of all, you guys are going to hear throughout Wi-Fi 7 is regarding the MLO. MLO actually is the meaning of multi-link operations. We can able to connect 5G, 2.4G concurrently. Yeah, so other than MLO, actually we have other features like the frequency also already upgraded as well. Now already go up to 320 megahertz, and also like this 4K QAM, you will be able to transmit at a 20% higher transmission rate as well. Yeah, so just like I mentioned, this MLO is multi-link operations. Because this is able to improve our this latency 55% more compared to Wi-Fi 6. And also just now I also mentioned about this. Now we have this 6 gigahertz plus, and also the bandwidth up to already 320 megahertz. And also for Wi-Fi 7, we can go up to 46 Gbps. Yeah, so this is a 4K QAM. Just now I mentioned to you guys just now. The 4K QAM is able to lower down the latency, able to transmit more data at the same time. Yeah, and also this 16 times 16 MU MIMO. MU MIMO is meant by the multiple input, multiple output, so you can have a higher capacity. So here you just showcase what are the applications for our Wi-Fi 7. Yeah, so now Wi-Fi 7 already start from the home, live streaming, video meeting, e-learning, yeah, all this. Yeah, so all this are going to evolve into Wi-Fi 7 very quickly. Wi-Fi 7 still far away from us actually. Yeah, so in the last time maybe you guys haven't touched into this. Actually Wi-Fi 7 already come up in recent years already. Even last year already people are talking about Wi-Fi 7. So just now we talk about our this Ruijie cloud. Yeah, so our cloud actually is a lifetime free, unlimited, so unlimited capacity, all the enterprise grade features we giving out to you, easy maintenance. And this cloud is actually not a new cloud. So this cloud already exists for around 10 years, 2014. Now already have 40 million devices on it, 2 million users using it, and cover around 90 plus countries already. So yeah, so now I'm going to talk about the products. This RAP72 Pro, this is a Wi-Fi 7 entry-level models from Ruijie. I think this is still very good in size. Okay, so these are the two models we're going to talk about today, 73 Pro and also the 72 Pro. So I'm going to talk about the difference in later on. Yeah, so of this 72 Pro is the entry level for Wi-Fi 7 APs. Okay, so this models, it comes with a dual band 2.4 and 5G, and then it has the MLO as well, multi-link operation, and also including the 4K QAM, the Reyee mesh, all these are included. Yeah, so for this the spec it can go up to maximum throughput can go up to 5,000. Yeah, so this is Wi-Fi 7 BE. So what is meant by BE? BE actually is the Wi-Fi standard. We have this Wi-Fi 6 is AX, Wi-Fi 5 is AC. Now Wi-Fi 7 is BE. Yeah, so and you guys can see the frequency band. So for this entry level models only have dual band 2.4 and 5G. Okay, and then this is the total maximum clients. And then the important one is that this port, we have this 2.5G ports to ensure is a high speed. So this is able to power up by the PoE plus, or you can use a 12 volt power supply. All these APs are similar to our previous products. All these Wi-Fi 7 APs, we're going to have the 3-year warranty, and also a 1-to-1 exchange within the warranty period. Yeah, and also this is using the cloud license for free. So this is a very affordable entry-level Wi-Fi 7 APs. You guys can see on this chart, this is our go-to GTM strategy, go-to market. So on the left-hand side, the y-axis actually is the SI price. We can see it from the low to high, and then speed also from low to high. So our this 72 Pro actually we are positioning inside on the middle, and also but the price you guys can see we are the very lowest. So for this actually is another levels of the Wi-Fi 7 APs. Okay, so for this able to go up to the BE 14,000. So just not only 5,000, now can go up to 14,000. And the same is able to support the MLO. So this is can have even more higher speed compared to 72 Pro just now. So it's the same. We have this 4K QAM, these technologies as well. We have the ports. Now we have this 10G SF plus. So you can use a 10G SFP to connect this as well to get an even higher more speed. Yeah. So here are the specs. So we have this RAP73 Pro Wi-Fi 7. So this is same. So this is throughput is higher, 14,000. And the selling best point is that this have a 3-band, and then you can see the maximum number of clients can support even more higher density place. And then also the ports as well. Okay, 2.5G PoE ports, or you can use a 10G SFP plus port. Okay, and also the power supply is either using PoE plus, PoE plus plus, or you can use a 54 volt DC. Okay, so it's the same as well for this APs. You are not only 3 years. For this APs able to go up to 5 years warranty. It's the same. It's able to go on the park manager as well. The free license, one-to-one exchange if there's any problems. Okay, so our strategy is the first one. So actually we have a higher spec but with a lower price. So you guys can see all these are the, so we have a higher spec but with a same price. I think we can have an even higher margin. So from here, just showcase to you guys on the design for this, how this is locked. So this is how it installed. So for this actually it come with this security lock design. Yeah, so you can after you install on the bracket, so you can just, you need to use a pin, it's like a steel inside to unlock it before you can remove down. Yeah, and also just now it's about we talk about the APs. So actually these switches also very important. Or our backbone network actually is very important. So if you guys are still using a 1G, yeah, so your maximum speed can only go up to 1G. Yeah, so that's why you're going to have this multi-G switch, 2.5G or even 10G speed for the switch as well. Yeah, so this performance will not be uncompromised if you guys are able to use like a 3G, because you have this 3G bandwidth at the backbone, then your switch must be able to support the 3G bandwidth. Yeah, so that's why for these features it's also very important for the backbone. Okay, so just to take note on this. For just now we talk about the speed. Actually, for all these APs, or even for the higher models like the 73 Pro, actually it need to support with the PoE++. Yeah, so that's why we also come up with the switches as well. We have our switch which is able to support the PoE++, which is up to the 90 watt PoE power. Okay, so just now we have these switches which is already able to provide us with the uninterrupted network, which means the high availability. It have a dual firmware redundancy and have this link aggregation. So what do you guys know about link aggregation? For this switch which is able to support 2 links to the APs, means that if one link is down, the other link will still able to provide internet. Yeah, so we have this multi-link aggregations for the redundancy. The next one we have the loop preventions. Yeah, so we have able to avoid all this loop prevention. Yeah, so here are some of the layer 3 features, advanced features like the VCS. So VCS actually is a stacking. You have 2 switches for the core switch, then you can make them like as a one to do the redundancy, to do the stacking. Yeah, so one down, the other one will still able to work. I think that's all for my workshop today. So hope you guys enjoy for our today's workshop. Okay, once again, thank you guys for joining our this workshop, Wi-Fi 7 workshop today. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next workshop. Thank you.
VISKOU.